Greetings everyone. Welcome to a demonstration of our CSC 316 term project. Our project is based on the idea of home automation based on surrounding weather. Thus, the name Weather-Based Home Automation System. We would like to express our gratitude to our amazing and cooperative supervisor, Mohammad Tarek Mahmood sir. Okay, time to dive into the details. What is the basic idea? This system is a self-fulfilled detection and working mechanism integrated with an alert system. It measures the humidity and temperature of the surrounding environment and continuously checks if it is raining. If it is indeed raining, the windows are then closed by relaying the information to the corresponding mechanism, and at the same time the homeowner is notified through email. So, what components did we use to actualize this system? Our main component is an ATmega32 microcontroller. The central component of our system takes input all the data from all sensors and relays necessary information to the corresponding modules, such as motor, Bluetooth module, and LCD. We use an USB ASP AVR programmer to burn the necessary C code onto the ATmega microcontroller. It has also been used as the 5-volt power source for our project. We use a water sensor or a rain sensor to detect any water in the environment. This sensor gives voltage as output. When the sensor is dry, the voltage is low, and if it's wet, the voltage becomes high. The voltage acts as input for the ADC of ATmega32. To calculate humidity and temperature, we use DHT11 sensor that serially corresponds the data to the microcontroller through several beats. As our actuator, we use a 5-volt DC stepper motor with driver. It takes a 4-volt input from the microcontroller and the rotor rotates necessary amount for our window closing mechanism to work. To display necessary information about humidity, temperature, and rain and the condition of the windows, we use a 16 by 2 LCD. To relay information from the microcontroller to our server that works with sending automated mail, we use AC05 Bluetooth module. We have used an IC7805 and a 9-volt battery to get a voltage of 5 volt to powerize our system. And we have used lots of wires, resistors, inductors, and capacitors to stabilize our system. So now, what is the mechanism of our system theoretically? Here we can see all the components of our system. The rain sensor and the DHT consistently feeds the data onto the ATmega32 microcontroller. Based on the logic written on the microcontroller, it then relays the data with necessary modifications to the LCD, stepper motor, and AC05 module. The LCD displays humidity, temperature, and information about rain, and also the current condition of the windows, if they are open or if they are closed. The Bluetooth module relays the information fed from the microcontroller to a Python implemented server, and the server sends necessary email to the homeowner's device. For example, if the humidity crosses a certain threshold that was predetermined in our code, the system warns the owner through email and suggests to keep an umbrella nearby. In case of rain, it notifies the owner that the windows were closed. Simultaneously, the stepper motor works on closing the window. When the rain stops, the motor automatically opens the window by reverse rotation as configured in the code. Okay, so this was all theoretical. How does the system actually work? Let us go through an overall demonstration.
Hello everyone, our project is a weather-based home management system. It actually takes the humidity and temperature data using a DHT11 sensor from the environment. It also takes the rain information using a water sensor. When the humidity goes above 70% or the rain data or the rain occurs, the Bluetooth module here will send a message to the server, and the server will send an email to the user. So let us see the email account. So we will see that there is no recent email. The previous email came at 11:44 p.m. So now let us see what happens when the humidity of the environment increases. So let us try to increase the humidity. So as we can see, for a while the humidity of the environment went to 70%, and there was also an alert in the LCD display. So there should be an alert in the email also. So we can see that a new email has come, and that email has come at 11:46 p.m. So let us see what the email says. The email says that it may rain today. The temperature is 72%. The temperature is 30 degree and humidity is 72%. Take an umbrella when going out. So that is clear. So let us see what happens when the rain occurs. So let us make some water drop in the rain sensor. So we see that with the water drop in the rain sensor, the LCD showed a alert and the window closed. So there should be an alert in the email too. So we will see what happens in the email. So we can see that another new email has came here at 11:47 p.m. and the email here says the rain has started, please bring your clothes under the shade. So a new email has come. So now we will see what happens when the rain is gone. So we will remove the water from the rain sensor. We can see that the now window is open, and there is also a signal in the LCD display too. And we will see that in the email there is no new email now. That is our project. Thank you for listening.